Hi guys, it's Larry, and I'm going to be doing a super quick plan with me. This is for the week of January 29th through February 4th, which everyone should be excited is Super Bowl Sunday. And I'm going to probably have some special stickers for that, but I haven't printed them yet. So here is the artwork that I'm going to be using. This is from CDB Planner, and I will have a link for them below, but I just thought this was beautiful. Look at those purples and pinks and kind of a dusty blue. And of course it has coffee, which makes me super happy. Cuddle in a cup, chocolate. So I'm going to be doing a lot of white space because you may have noticed I finally got the Glam Girl Happy Planner classic size, and I want to not cover up what's already included, which is the lip washi, the top priorities, and I might bring in some washi too, but I haven't decided yet, but I am going to go for a little bit more of a white space look, and let's get started. Okay, so as I mentioned, this artwork is from CDBPlannerPrints, and I wanted to also show you that I printed out 2 pages. This is sized for the Classic Happy Planner, and this one is sized for the Big Happy Planner. And similar to the same artwork on both sets of stickers, this one, Classic, has a little bit more snowflakes, and I think that's the only difference. Oh, and the Big Happy Planner doesn't have the cuddle in a cup. So again, I'll have the links for her below. I am going to pull out my cocktail, pull up my chair. I'm getting ready to plan in my new Happy Planner Glam Girl. This is for January 29th through the 4th. So let's get this party started. I'm going to turn on some music and let's play. so this is it. This is my before the pen for January 29th through February 4th. And I think it turned out really, really nice. A little busier than I had anticipated, but I had to put all these snowflakes in. I mean, they're just so cute. I got 2 of the Cuddle-In-A cups, and all my functional stuff. So it's completely workable. There's still open space for me to write appointments and actual tasks. I've got my top priorities over here that I will fill in. I've got space for notes. I've got my weekly menu that I can lay out. So I'm very happy with it. I'm pleased with the layout, the colors. I love the stickers. I think they're absolutely adorable. And I hope that you enjoyed this. So thank you for playing along with me. Don't forget, I did an announcement. I will link that announcement in the video right here. If you would, please watch it. It's a little bit lengthier video, but there's a very special announcement in there, and we're going to be doing some really fun stuff this weekend. So please keep your eyes peeled. Join me maybe Saturday or Sunday. I'll do a special video. And thank you so much for joining me. If you're new here, thank you for joining me. There's a lot of fun stuff coming up. I do a lot more than Plan With Me's. Just haven't gotten to a lot of other projects yet or recently. So there's a lot more stuff coming. In the video that I link, I give you a whole layout for what I'm going to be doing for 2018. Share some plans and some fun stuff. So don't forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment, share some tips on how you do your own printable stickers. If you have found some great resources for free printable stickers. And that's it. Thanks for joining me, guys. Have a great day and talk to you soon. Be thankful, be kind, and keep living light.